evaluate integral over C, vector f dot dr, vector f dot dr, if vector f is equal to, so this is a December 2017 question paper problem. So 2x minus y into I cap minus yz square into j cap minus y square z into k cap. 2x minus y I cap minus yz square j cap minus y square z k cap. Where S is the surface, where S is the upper half of the surface, where S is the upper half of the surface of the sphere, upper half of the surface of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1, comma, C is the boundary. C, here we have C, right? C is the boundary. C is the boundary. Okay. First up, use Stokes theorem. Use Stokes theorem. Solution. We have Stokes theorem as, what is the Stokes theorem? Hello, what is the Stokes theorem? Formula, integral OC.
Closed integral vector f dot is
equal
double integral s curl f dot n cap ds.
Curl f dot n cap ds, correct. So we have to use RHS or LHS to evaluate the given integral?
RHS.
RHS. They are given single integral. They are given single integral to evaluate using Stokes theorem. That's what we have to use double integral. Okay, now consider we have to evaluate this one, RHS. Double integral over the surface S curl f dot n cap ds. Call it as equation 1. What we have to find first?
Curl f.
Curl f. For that you consider vector f. Vector f is given as 2x minus y I cap minus y z square j cap minus y square z k cap. Okay. So next consider curl f. Curl f means what? What is curl f?
Del cross f bar.
Del cross vector f. How to find cross product?
Determinant.
Determinant method. What is the first row?
IJK.
IJK. What is the second row?
OX by
Dou by dou x.
Dou by dou y.
Dou by dou y, dou by dou z.
What is third row?
Coefficient of f.
Coefficient of IJK of vector f. That is 2x minus y. Next what? Minus y z square minus y square z. Okay na? Next we have to find the third order determinant. So by taking plus minus plus for the first row, plus minus plus. So now I into, complete it fast, which is equal to I into what? Dou by of minus y square z minus dou by dou z of what? Hello?
Minus yz square.
Minus yz square minus j into dou by dou x of what? Minus
y square z.
Minus dou by dou z of 2x minus
y.
Plus k into dou
Dou
by
by dou x of minus
dou
yz
x of
square.
minus yz square minus dou by dou y of 2x minus y. Now simplify this, which is equal to I into what is dou by dou y of minus y square z?
Minus 2yz.
Minus
Minus
2yz minus what is dou by dou z of minus yz square? So minus into minus plus 2yz, correct? Differentiation of z square is 2z, 2yz minus into minus plus. Next minus j into dou by dou x of minus yz square is what?
0.
0 because no x term. Minus what is dou by dou z of 2x minus y?
0.
0.
0 because no z term plus k into. So what is dou by dou x of minus yz square?
0.
0.
0 minus dou by dou y of 2x is 0 minus dou by dou y of y is 1. Correct?
1.
Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 2yz plus 2yz cancelled. So 0i minus 0j minus into minus plus k we got. This is our curl f. After finding curl f, what we should do? We know that
Substitute
what?
an integral.
N cap ds. So what is n cap ds?
dy dz I cap plus dx dz j cap plus dx dy k cap.
Yes, dy dz I cap plus dz dx j cap plus dx dy k cap. Now find curl f dot n cap ds. First you find this one, then we can go for the integration. First you find this one. So next curl f, consider curl f dot n cap ds. Okay, so curl f what we got? 0i minus 0j plus 1k. Correct? So dot n cap ds is dy dz I cap plus what? Plus dz dx j cap plus dx dy k cap. Now do the product, dot product. So this 0 into this is 0 only. Next, this is 0 into this is also 0 plus k dot k is 1 plus into plus 1, sorry, plus into plus plus 1 into dx dy is dx dy. Is it right? Dx dy is our curl f dot n cap ds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now consider equation 1. Substitute these values in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes RHS is equal to double integral over the surface S curl f, that is dx dy. So now we have to find the limit. Before going to the limit, what it is looks like? What it is looks
Area
like?
of the curve.
Area of the
Area.
given region. Okay, area of the given region. First we have to see what is the given region. What is the region given? Sphere, right? Given curve is what? Given curve is what? Sphere. Upper half of the sphere. Upper half of the sphere. If you consider upper half of the sphere, what is z?
0.
0. Here you put z equal to 0. So x square plus y square is equal to 1. What it is looks like? What it is?
Circle.
Circle with center at origin and radius?
1.
1. So now our surface is what? Now our surface is a circle surface. And this is the equation of a area of circle. What is area of circle?
Pi r square.
Pi
Pi
r
r
square. What is r here?
1.
1. Radius. Here what is radius? In x square plus y square equal to 1.
1.
1. So pi into 1 square. So value for the given integral will be pi. Did you clear? Did you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the answer what we got. So maximum problems we solved in Stokes theorem. So if it is any problems is there, so I will search and I will assign it. Okay. So next we go for what is the last theorem we have? What is the last integral theorem?
Gauss divergence.
Yes, Gauss divergence theorem. Now we are going to discuss Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem. Okay. So in Stokes theorem, it converts line integral to the surface integral. Correct? Stokes theorem converts line integral to the surface integral. Integral OC vector f dot dr is the line integral. It converts into the double integral, that is surface. Curve is converted as a surface in the Stokes theorem. What is the Gauss theorem? Already I gave to you. What is the Gauss theorem statement? What is the Gauss theorem statement? Double integral over the surfaces vector f dot n cap ds
And that means
is equal to triple integral over the volume V div f dv. Okay. So that means surface integral is converted into the volume integral. In the Gauss divergence theorem, surface integral is converted to volume integral. In Stokes theorem, line integral is converted into
area.
surface
Surface
integral.
integral.
Surface
Surface
integral,
integral.
not area. So in all the problem, you will not get area. Okay, in some particular problems only you will get the area at the end. Okay. So now we are going to solve the problems on this. So take down the first problem. Take down the first problem. Use divergence theorem. Use divergence theorem to evaluate double integral over the surfaces vector f dot n cap ds. Use the Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate double integral over the surfaces vector f dot n cap ds if vector f is equal to x square minus yz into I cap plus y square minus zx into j cap plus z square minus xy into k cap taken over the rectangular parallelepiped parallelepiped. So write down that one. Boundary x between 0 and 1. X is between 0 and 1 and y is between 0 and 1 only. 0 and 1 and z is also lies between 0 and 1. You will get cubic. Correct? Parallelepiped. You will get parallelepiped. Rectangular parallelepiped. So actually it is a cubic because all the dimensions are same. So don't take rectangular parallelepiped. Actually it is a cuboid. It is cuboid. A rectangular parallelepiped means actually in the question they are given ABC. I changed ABC to 1, 1, 1. So if dimensions are different, you will get parallelepiped. Here dimensions are same, you will get the cuboid. Correct? It is not rectangular, it is a square. So 3-dimensional, it is a cuboid. You change that one as rectangular parallelepiped. You caught that one. Taken over. So you caught rectangular parallelepiped. You caught that one. Taken over. So write down these three. Taken over. X is lies between 0, 1. Y is lies between 0, 1. And Z is lies between 0, 1. So all of you look at here. So one problem I will solve. Remaining problem you can solve on the Gauss divergence theorem. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now solution. So here they are given double integral to evaluate using Gauss divergence theorem. They are given surface integral to evaluate using Gauss divergence theorem. Means in the formula, so use Gauss divergence theorem. So suppose if they are given evaluate, if they instead of saying that using Gauss divergence theorem, if directly they are given evaluate means we have to use only double integral. So since they specified use Gauss divergence theorem means, so this LH instead of double integral evaluate triple integral, that is the meaning. Did you clear? If they are not specified, if they gave directly to evaluate instead of giving any theorem, if they are given evaluate, we have to evaluate the given integral directly. If they are given the theorem, if they specified the theorem name, so if they are given LHS, we have to use RHS to evaluate it. If they are given triple integral to evaluate, we have to use double integral to evaluate. Did you clear? So since in this question, they are given double integral to evaluate using Gauss divergence theorem. For that, we have to use RHS to evaluate it. So solution, write down, we know that the Gauss divergence theorem as double integral over the surface S vector f dot n cap ds, which will be equal to triple integral over the volume V div f dv. Okay, div f dv. So we need to consider only RHS to evaluate the LHS. Okay, consider the RHS, triple integral over the volume V div f dv. Okay, so you call this as equation 1. Actually our aim is to evaluate triple integral. So instead of evaluating double integral directly, because in the question they specified use divergence theorem. Okay, now, so first to evaluate this, what we have to find first? What we have to find?
Divergence of f bar.
Div f, not bar, that is vector. Okay, that is not
Vector.
bar. Okay, so first we have to find out div f. To find div f, first we have to write down vector f. What is vector f given? X square minus yzi plus y square minus zxj plus z square minus xy k cap. Correct? Xy k cap. Div f. I want to find out div f. How to find div f?
Del dot f bar. F cap.
Not cap.
Del dot f
Vector
vector,
f.
ma'am.
Del dot vector f. Div f means del dot vector f. All of you are forgot already? What is del represents? What is del?
Dou by dou x I cap plus dou by dou
Dou by
y
dou
j cap plus dou by dou z k cap.
Dou by dou. Hey, are you sleeping? By sleeping you are answering,
No, ma'am.
And then your voice is coming like that only. Next, dot vector f. Vector f is x square minus yz into I cap plus y square minus zx j cap plus z square minus xy k cap. Okay, na? Okay, now do the dot product. What is I dot I?
1.
1.
One.
Therefore, we obtain dou by dou x of x square minus yz. Plus into plus, plus here we have plus, here we have plus, plus into plus plus. J dot j is what?
1.
1. So
One.
dou by dou y of y square minus zx. Next, plus into plus is plus, k dot k is 1. So dou plus dou by dou z of what?
Z square minus xy.
Dou by dou z of z square minus xy. Okay, now do the differentiation. Right. What is dou by dou x of x square?
2x.
2x.
2x minus what is dou by dou x of yz? Tell me first.
0.
0.
0 plus dou by dou a of y square?
2y.
Minus, what shall I write?
0
0
0.
plus
plus 2z.
2z minus
Minus 0.
0.
0. So we obtain div f as div f. Div f is equal to, take 2 common, x plus y plus z. Correct? So now we have to consider the RHS. RHS is equal to triple integral over the volume V. What is div f we got? 2 of x plus y plus z. What is dv is nothing but? What is dv is nothing but? I gave already dv is nothing but what? While I gave the definition of Gauss divergence theorem. dv is nothing but dx, dy, dz. Correct? According to the order of the limits, we can change it. So if it is dx, dy, dz, here we have to take the limit for x, here we have to take the limit for y, here you have to take the limit for z. Or you can take this as x limit, y limit, z limit. But instead of dx, dy, dz, what we have to do? dz, dy, dx. We have to change according to that. So now if you are considering it is x varies from where to where?
0 to 1.
They are given directly in the question itself. X varies from 0 to 1. So no need to write the diagram and all. Here directly they are given x varies from 0 to 1. Y varies from where to where?
0 to 1, ma'am.
0 to 1 only. Z is also varies from 0 to 1 only. Okay. So now integrate. All of you know how to integrate. So x from 0 to 1. So integral y from 0 to 1. So next I kept 2 outside. So now first you integrate with respect to what? Z. Integrate with respect to z. I kept 2 outside. What's the integration of x with respect to z?
Z square by 2.
A integration of x with respect to z.
0.
Exit.
Xz.
ZX.
Into x.
Plus integration of y with respect to z.
YZ.
YZ. Plus what is the integration of z with respect to z?
Z square by 2.
Z square by
Z
2.
square by 2.
Oh, differentiation, integration, what? You are telling 1, you are telling 0. I am doing integration, not differentiation. Okay, dy, dx as it is. After the integration, we should apply the limit for z only 0 to 1. Only for z 0 to 1. Only for z 0 to 1. Now apply the limit and simplify. Tell me the final answer, quick. Give me the answer.
Ma'am, it is x plus y plus 1 by 2, ma'am.
After applying limit,
Yes, ma'am.
So next 2 times integral x from 0 to 1, integral y from 0 to 1. So it is x, upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. Next plus y into upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. Plus 1 by 2 you keep it out. Apply the limit, upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. Into dy, dx. Next. So 2 times integral x from 0 to 1, y from 0 to 1. So x plus y plus what? 1 by 2. Correct? Is it right? Hello? Yes. Dy,
Yes,
dx. Now you evaluate this integral. So which is equal to 2 times integral x from 0 to 1. Likit, what is the integration of x with respect to y?
xy, ma'am.
xy or 0 na?
xy, ma'am.
xy. What's the integration of y with respect to y?
Y square by 2.
Sandhya will tell. No, Sandhya? Okay, what's the integration of 1 by 2 with respect to y? What's the integration of 1 by 2 with respect to y?
1 by 2 into y.
1 by 2 into y into dx. After the integration, apply the limit only for y. 0 to 1. We have 0 to 1, right? Limit. 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, now apply the limit. 2 into integral x from 0 to 1. So x is outside, upper limit minus lower limit, plus 1 by 2 outside, upper limit is 1 square, lower limit is 0. What is the answer?
3.
X plus half plus half.
Okay, 1 minute. It'll be here. Okay. Plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 0 into dx. So now which is equal to 2 outside, integral x from 0 to 1. So x into 1 minus 0 is x, plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is what? What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2?
1.
1.
1. Okay, now integrate this with respect to x 2 times. What is the integration of x with respect to x?
X square by
X square by 2.
Square by
X
2.
square by 2. Plus what is the integration of 1 with respect to x?
X.
1 by 2
X.
into X.
Where is 1 by 2? 0 to 1, 0
Is
to
the
1.
answer 3?
So I am checking. 2 into 1 by 2, upper limit is 1 square, lower limit is 0 square, plus upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. So now which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. What is 1 by 2 plus 1?
3 by
3
2.
by 2.
3 by 2, 2 and 2
3 by 2.
cancel. Answer is
3. 3.
3. All of you got answer as 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Answer is